all students of class 12 RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am going to teach you the second lesson of supplementary prose supplementary lesson 2. The name of the lesson is The Tiger King. Its writer name is Kalki. The Tiger King. This lesson has been written by Kalki. So in this lesson, there is a story of a brave king. The brave king was called Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. His name was Jang Bahadur. Because he was fond of hunting of the tigers, that's why he was named, or his surname was given, the Tiger King. And that's why the king was called later the Tiger King. Means he was fond of hunting of the tigers. When he was born, his parents called him the astrologers to tell about something future, his qualities, what the qualities, personal qualities of the prince had, which would flourish in his future. The astrologers thought and predicted means foretold, that the prince would be very brave person. He will be the warrior of warriors. He will be the hero of heroes, and he will be the champion of champions. In this way, he will be very brave. But when the astrologers said, but there was a question mark. Why? Why did the astrologers stopped suddenly? They wanted to say something but could not say, because they dared not to say any bad thing about the prince. The astrologers went away, but on 10th day they were again called. When they were sitting, the prince at that time was 10 days old. He asked the astrologers to tell them the secrecy about his death. The astrologers told that the prince would be very brave. He would like hunting of the tigers, but he should be beware. Beware means alert from the 100th tiger. Means 99 tigers he can kill at the time of hunting, but when he is going to kill the 100th tiger, he should be very alert. The prince asked again, what would be? The astrologers told that there is written death of the prince from the 100th tiger, so he should be beware, alert. But the prince was very brave. When he was 10 days old, when he started to talk, when he was 10 days old, all the astrologers were surprised. How a child of 10 days old can speak? It is very impossible. But it was miracle. It was surprise for them, because they were seeing that the prince was talking, asking the questions and replying the questions before them. So it was very great miracle for them. The prince also explained, said that everyone who has been born one day has to die. So one should not fear from death. And death is must to come everyone. So there should no fear for death. But he also ordered the ministers. He said, let the tigers beware. Let the tiger beware means all the tigers should be alert because he will kill them. And really, when he became 20-year-old, he started hunting. And within 10 years, he killed the 70 tigers. And after killing 70 tigers, no more tigers were left in the state of Pratibandhapuram, in the forests of Pratibandhapuram. So there was great problem before the king. How to hunt the 100th tiger. And he was resolved that he would perform his desire and would prove that the astrology is wrong. That what your prediction was given by the astrologers was wrong by sending the carcass of the 100th tiger. But only 70 tigers were killed. And there was great problem how to kill the 100th tiger. He also encouraged the villagers, the farmers, if they would be able to find out any tiger more, he would forgive their taxes for 2 years. The villagers were happy, but it was very impossible for them to find out. And later I will tell you tomorrow. Question answers I am sending to you just now, and you should start to write the question answers in the fair copy, and never leave the work in spare, in pending. You have to complete every day, and you have to also read every day that is written daily in English. Then you feel very easy in learning and preparing the course.